Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my Automating Cisco Meraki Operations Using APIs course. With the fundamentals of software development and network programmability behind you, we can dig deeper into specific Cisco solutions by exploring their APIs. This course covers 4 main topic areas: building and managing Meraki device networks, integrating Meraki cameras and viewing their video footage, setting up captive portals for guest wireless clients, and exploring Meraki webhooks for location data and system alerts. After completing this course, you'll be able to programmatically configure, operate, and monitor your Cisco Meraki network. Before beginning this course, I'd recommend the following prerequisite courses. These 3 courses provide the foundation of software development and programmability skills that are extended in this course. The content around Git version control, Cisco products, and general APIs will be especially helpful. I'm assuming you already have a strong background in Python programming. This 4th course follows an enterprise scenario from day 0 to day N, provisioning new routers, configuring them for daily operations, then monitoring them with streaming telemetry. I think this will provide useful context before digging into Meraki. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about automating Cisco Meraki operations using APIs at Pluralsight.